Hello everyone. Today we will learn to make a colorful hot air balloon, and we will sit in this and go fly high in the sky and see the pink clouds together. So let's see what all we need to make this hot air balloon. So we will be needing a blank paper sheet. That will be our first requirement. Go collect it. Second thing we require a round bowl. You can take any round bowl from mommy. It should be a little big in the size. What else do we need? Yes, we do need a rubber, a pencil to draw, and a scale. So these are the four things. Are these? No, these are not the how we will make it a colorful balloon. So to make our balloon colorful, we will require two pencil crayons or any crayons that you have. It should be one sky blue color, second pink color. And then we will need the sketch pens to color the hot air balloon. Orange, blue, yellow dirty fellow, purple, and green. So do get all these colors. If you don't have pencil color, remember you can get crayons also. So let's start our drawing. First we have to make a circle. For that I told you we need a bowl. So put a bowl. You should put the bowl in the center of the sheet and on the upper part of it. Okay? And then create a bowl circle using it. That's our circle. Now place the ruler on the middle part of the circle. Leave 4 centimeters, and what you have to do is make a square. Draw one line, draw another line like this, join them, draw one more line and join this one, and last what you have to do is to join these two lines. You have made it's more of a rectangle rather than a square. Now from this point to wherever your circle goes, you have to join your circle with this point. Let's join it like this. Oh yes. Now do it same for the another side also. Do from the center, join. Oh, it's already going to look like a hot air balloon. Oh yes. Now next step is to rub this part of the line. So let's rub this part. Now just do a little bit finishing by matching these lines. Yes? Oh yes, we did it a great job. Now make a small ending of your hot air balloon. Oh, it's already looking like a hot air balloon. Now from this point, draw a straight line towards the end of the circle. Yes? Now slide your ruler a little bit from the bottom side. Now hold the bottom side and slide it from the top side. Yes, you did? Oh yes, you did. Draw a line. Next time, do not slide it from the bottom, just slide it from the top and draw a line. Again, hold it from the bottom and slide it from the top. You have to take your green sketch pen and draw the outline. Did you do it? Now use your ruler and divide it into multiple parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes? Now mark. You will fill color into this first, leave the second, then fill color in the third, leave the fourth and then fill color in the fifth. Okay? Next, take your yellow sketch pen, draw the outline. Again, take the ruler. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This time you will not start from the top. You will leave the first one, draw the second, leave the third one, draw the fourth, leave the fifth one and fill the color in the sixth one. Again, next what color do we want? I think we want blue. Draw the outline from the blue sketch pen. Use the ruler like you did earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This time you have again to, just like green, start from the first one. 1, leave the 2 blank, fill the third one, leave the fourth one, fill the color in the fifth one, leave the sixth one and fill the color in the seventh one. Next color, what do we want? We want orange. Draw the outline using the orange. Use the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, just like yellow, draw the fill the color in the second one, leave the third one in the fourth one, leave the fifth one in the sixth one. Now I'm taking purple because that's what is left. Copy the same. Leave, no, this one. Now we have to start from the first, leave the second, third, leave the fourth and then the fifth. Now in all the things that you have put dots, fill the color with it. I am starting with the purple color. Now I'm drawing another one in which I have marked the dot. You can also color them with crayons. I am using sketch pen. Oh, purple is finished. Now let's fill the orange color. This one and this one and this one. We have to fill color in these three. Oh, orange also done. Next is blue. Oh, we have to fill the blue in 4. Now my blue color is also going to be finished. Next, I will take the yellow and like we said others, we'll do the coloring in yellow. Oh yeah, is it very fast? Yes. So what do you say for yellow color? Yellow, yellow, dirty fellow. Yellow done. Now only one is left, that is green. Do remember to fill only in the columns that we have done dots. And my green is going to be over. Ooh, that's a colorful hot air balloon. Now what you have to do is to take the brown sketch pen, make 3 lines to join it and then overlap the basket in which you are going to sit. Now let's make some checks because it's a basket. Oh yes, your hot air balloon is ready. Now what's left is to color the sky. Let's paint it blue. So take your crayon and color the sky blue the way you like it. Do it slowly, don't do like me. Hush, hush, hush in a hurry. Make sure you do not overlap your blue color with your hot air balloon. Right, kids? You don't want to do that. That is, my sky is going to be ready. Is it looking nice? Do you like it? Ooh, it's looking beautiful. Now what's left is to make the pink clouds that you are going to see up. So, how to make the clouds? Make a round spiral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now do it again and fast, 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 right? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, you know how to make clouds now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fill it with the color. Again, do it with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, the pink clouds. Aren't they dreamy? Oh, I wish I could go outside and see them. And here is our painting. And show everybody, and do not forget to send me the picture. If you like to learn more drawings with me, click the subscribe button below.